Okay, welcome back to the BSN channel. In this video we're going to be making fried yam.
It's lunch.
We'll be having fried yam. How do you say that in Tree?
Bayerɛ Akyeɛ.
What she said. We'll be having that with
Can we put it here a bit first?
Oh.
Okay. Peel the yam. As you can see the yam there. I divide it into two, cut it into pieces like this. And start frying. So, and whilst that is cooking, the next step is the chili. The chili.
So what's in the chili?
Yeah, is the pepper, the whole pepper,
Yeah.
Scotch bonnet, and then onions. As you can see, I didn't use all of it, I cut half. And then chopped tomatoes, this one. So it's a bit chilly, still chilly.
So this is
I'm going to cut a bit more of the fresh ones in it as well.
Can you use Shitor to eat?
Yeah, some people prefer Shitor, so you can add Shitor to it. Like, for example, you take a bit of your Shitor and then, you know.
Okay, fair enough.
But with me, I'm eating it without the Shitor. I'm going with the red.
Do you have anything to mention about your history with this meal? Do you have any memories of this meal?
I love it. I don't know why I like fried yam. Especially when you get the puna yam, the best one.
Oh, okay.
Unfortunately, the yam I've got now, somebody bought it for me and it wasn't puna. But he didn't know whether it's puna or not. He just bought anything. Anyway, I'm still using it.
I get mixed up with what puna looks like. I keep thinking puna looks like white yam and white yam looks like puna. But it's the other way around.
Puna is the slim one.
Yeah, it's the one where it's even, right?
It's slim. The bottom is narrow still.
Yeah, but the white yam is the one where it's narrow and fat at the other end.
Yeah, it can be, but even still, puna is virtually a tiny bit, narrow at the end. But so as you put the fried yam in it, you keep turning it, as you're going along. It depends how hot the fire. So yeah, and then
how long do you let this fry for?
I'm going to leave it in for about, because I have to keep stirring it, turning it round. So until it's really brown, and then that will be done. But I'm thinking what meat, because it's best eating with sardine. But look as if somebody took all my sardines.
There's one more left.
Oh, thank God, you're lucky, or you would have been in trouble. Because I love my sardine with my chili pepper.
Yeah, I enjoyed my meal yesterday.
With what?
Sardine.
Sardine dinner.
I had it with potatoes though. I don't even like potatoes, but the sauce is so nice I had to demolish.
I'm taking out some of the chili because it's too much.
Let me have that one.
No, I don't want to kill you.
I'm strong.
No, not now. Because you can have that in the evening, because we can all share this one in the bowl.
Well, you can use that to make a sauce, like a foyer.
Oh yeah, but I won't spoil it. It's made specially for, like a side dish, sauce. If your food is
don't make it chewy.
No, I'm going to put the sardine in it. I think the yam is ready to turn.
I was just about to use this spoon here, but if I put that in there,
hey, if you're looking for a ram,
it'll be jack lamb. Oh yeah, and you'd be advised to maybe eat some fiber with this, otherwise during the end of the day you'll be stuck on the toilet.
Definitely, this is a daytime food. So coming in the evening you might be eating something, but it's good if you're eating with chili, then you know there won't be any problem with constipation, with too much carbohydrate or too much starch. Anyway, as I was saying, my sardine is coming into my chili. Oh, I love it. I always pour all the water away. Normally give people jaundice.
This is like the staple of a Ghanaian cuisine, you know. You've got the inhame, the meat. Right here we have the pepper. The pepper. Not pepper, pepper. Okay. And then we have the staple, the starch. The thing that's going to fill you up.
At the end of my cooking is here now, so I'll try and show you.
Try some to show them how to eat it.
That's the way I eat. I mix them up. Ooh, I'm sweating already. I haven't even started. You leave it to cool down because when it's hot, remind me of Kumasi to Accra to Kumasi.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
It's not Suhum, it's Ñame. That's where.
What's Suhum? Okay.
No, Ñame. That's where stopover. But
that's why I buy my coffee and pay to go to the toilet.
Paper.
I have to pay to go to the toilet.
No, you pay and they give you paper. Even if you have your own paper, still you pay. Anyway, this is it. It's going in my mouth now. So I do with excuse me.
Okay, so this is fried yam.
Yeah, African food,
with
fantastic.
A peppery sauce laced with sardines. Again, the sauce is made out of tomato, onion and Scotch bonnet peppers. You measure the tomato and pepper according to how hot you want it. And the fish is very important. You don't have to put fish, you can put turkey tail, there's, you know,
anything.
Have chicken drumstick.
But I am enjoying it. So
I'm gonna leave my mum to enjoy this.
Yeah.
So otherwise she'll get angry with you. So,
you're welcome to eat with me. Bye.
Peace.